The Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog that was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere, and at the last, he found a bone. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a bridge on the way to his home. When he started crossing it, he saw his own reflection in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in the water. He wanted to get that other bone too, so he started barking at his own reflection. His bone fell in the water as soon as he opened his mouth. The greedy dog lost his bone. The end. Question: who is the main character in the story? Number 2. Where the bone fell? Number 3. What is the moral of the story? Type your answer, comment down below.